All right, so now that the season's pretty much officially over, it's time to get some things done. So that means got this one pulled in, ready to tear apart. We're gonna be pulling the stuff we're keeping before it heads off to its new owner. So that's probably the last time you hear this cam. Well, especially in this car, but I think this cam in general is probably gonna be going away. So we'll see what so I'm gonna get to work, get this thing prepped, and then we'll be back to the daily stuff. We're not quite ready for the turbo car, so we got some other side things to take care of. We'll be back to it. All right, so kind of skip ahead a little bit. So we got those, did that, and we'll continue. All right, so I got the one new seat in there. I finished getting this interior cleaned out. Get that seat put in and move on to the front. Still haven't got the exhaust yet, but we'll come back to that when I got Brad's help. Let's get a light and some tools. All right, so I'd say we're done in here. Gauge is good, radio good. Fresh new seats. Freaking nice 6-way seats actually. Did pull the headlights, I just gotta get the wiring. I think what I'll do is I'll start lifting the front end so we can get the front stuff off too. Time to get this thing back on the ground. Wheels, suspension's done. Got the plus. Exhaust is all off. We got all that over here. So I think what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna drop it. Well, I'm gonna drop the back end and get the bumper off. And then just gonna go over to that side so we can pull the motor. Whew. Also, end of October, it's hot. I'm sweating. All right, well, this should be quite interesting. Oh, nice comfy seats. So, cammed and open headers. That's ridiculous. I can't even be mad at that. Oh. Last piece. Battery. Get that all out. The engine over here, box of parts, table of parts. That's all she wrote. Now we just wait for them to arrive. It is a party.
2 dudes, 1 car.
That's right. Yeah. I'm just watching now. Back here.
Oh, you like to watch?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, Dylan. Well, I'll talk to you all later. I guess everyone's got on.
Oh, you're good.
Yeah,
with witnesses?
yeah.
We don't like witnesses. Get in the damn car.
Ready? All right.
All right, that's all she wrote with that one. So moving on is I'm gonna get back into the daily stuff between the build and some other things that need addressed before we start talking about her. There's actually some other stuff that's going with his next build, but we'll talk about that in another video. It was a good run with that car. Obviously got it from my brother, and I got it passed to Brad, and he did some stuff, and it's pretty cool. So curious to see what goes on next. And yeah, just keep on trucking. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.